Hello and Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And I hope you all are good. And I am also good. And if this particular video where we're talking about the 12 days announcement which is done by OpenAI. Let's start with the very first day one जहाँ पे हमारा launch हुआ है basically ChatGPT Owen. So ChatGPT Owen is a next generation language model designed to perform better in math and science. And this update introduces improvements in basically how ChatGPT process complex questions, delivering more accurate and precise answers. तो बेसिकली इसका जो रीजनिंग कैपेबिलिटीज़ है वो काफ़ी सिग्निफिकेंटली इन्हांस हुआ है, जिससे ये अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो चुका है एंड मोर रिलायबल भी हो चुका है। ठीक है? Alongside with this, OpenAI also announced a $200 pro subscription offering advanced features and priority access to their most powerful tools. Okay, so ये चीज़ें हमारी day one पे launch हुई and this with all these OpenAI started a very strong launch. Okay, then it comes day two where they launched AI reinforcement fine tuning. Okay, so it's basically a significant moment for developers. Basically ये developer को target किया गया था. So in this particular day, OpenAI introduced AI reinforcement fine tuning, which is a method that allows developer to improve how AI respond to complex queries. Now moving to day 3, which is the introducing Sora, which is the AI video generator model, which was like in hype from like past years. Okay, so third day brought one of the most anticipated announcements, that is Sora, OpenAI's text to video generator. Right, this tool turns written description into a video. So basically whatever you will write, like you want a particular video in certain way, then you just write it in text and the Sora model will convert it into the video. So you can write all your imaginations and Sora model will convert it into a video. Okay, this innovative tool is currently accessible to pro users. Okay, so pro users जितने भी हैं वो इस particular tool को अभी access कर पाएंगे. Moving to day 4, which is the launch of ChatGPT Canvas. So on day 4, OpenAI introduced Canvas, a workspace designed to simplify working with text and code. So this feature allows users to interact with content in a more structured way, making it easier to manage, organize, and refine ideas. Then moving to day 5, basically which is ChatGPT joins Apple Intelligence. Okay, so day 5, ChatGPT integrate with Apple Intelligence, enabling seamless use across iOS devices. Okay, so this update allows users to access ChatGPT directly from their Apple devices without needing any separate app. ओके, तो जो एप्पल यूजर्स हैं वो अब चैट जीपीटी को इनबिल्ट इंटीग्रेटेड उनको मिलेगा ये चीज़, तो वो अपना बिना किसी सेकेंडरी ऐप को इंस्टॉल किए या चैट जीपीटी ऐप को इंस्टॉल किए उसको यूज़ कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, so this integration simplifies daily tasks like drafting emails, setting reminders, and organizing notes, all powered by ChatGPT's capabilities. Now moving to day 6, advanced voice mode gets visual updates. So OpenAI enhanced advanced voice mode on day 6 by adding visual capabilities to it. It's a significant step in creating a more interactive and intuitive AI experience, right? So day 7 पे OpenAI launched ChatGPT Projects, okay, a feature designed to help users manage multiple conversations more effectively. Okay, project let you to group related sessions, making it easier to track progress and revisit ideas. This is especially useful for those juggling multiple tasks, ensuring nothing get lost or forgotten. Okay, so OpenAI focus on organization. Moving to day 8, which is conversational search and faster performance. On day 8, OpenAI unveils the ChatGPT search, okay, which allow users to find information from their conversation more quickly. So with this update, ChatGPT basically eliminates the scrolling long histories with taking a lot of time. तो अब वो particular चीज solve हो चुकी है by this feature, that is conversational search and faster performance, right? Alongside this, mobile user can saw a significant improvement in speed, ensuring smooth interaction on the go. Day 9 brought exciting news for developers with OpenAI introducing updated tools and model to prove more flexibility and efficiency. So Day 9 was basically focused to developers in which OpenAI introduced updated tools and model to improve flexibility and efficiency. The company has also launched a beta SDKs for Go and Java programming language, expanding their toolkit for building AI applications. These updates simplify the process of integrating AI into various systems because now there is a beta version available for Java programming SDKs, right? And there are many apps which is in built in Java, so it will be more seamless to integrate AI into all those systems, offering developers more options and better performance for their projects, right? Now moving to day 10, which was again a great move, that is ChatGPT is now available on WhatsApp. And there is a toll-free number as well, that is 1800. So on day 10th, OpenAI launched this ChatGPT on a WhatsApp and a toll-free number 1800 ChatGPT. Right. These features make it easier to access ChatGPT for users with limited internet access or actually no internet access at all. Like internet access is now optional for ChatGPT because you have a toll-free number as well. Right. Moving ahead to day 11, which was Spended Mac app integration. Okay. So the Mac ChatGPT app received a major update, adding compatibility with popular coding and productivity tools like BB Edit and Notion. Okay, so इन सारे apps के साथ भी अब ChatGPT का integration हमें देखने को मिलेगा on Apple basically Mac devices. User can now seamlessly work across multiple apps while using ChatGPT for assessing. Right. And इसके साथ ही this update also introduced advanced voice mode for desktop app as well, making interaction more convenient and productive. Now the final day, that is day 12, which was basically previewing of O3 and O3 mini model. Okay, so this grand finale preview O3 and O3 model, which is a two cutting edge AI model built for advanced reasoning tasks. Okay, these models set a new benchmarks in problem solving and logical thinking, outperforming previous iterations. Okay, सो जितने भी प्रीवियसली उनके मॉडल्स थे उस सभी मॉडल्स को इसने बेसिकली आउट परफॉर्म करा है in advanced reasoning tasks. Okay, OpenAI shared early evaluations showing impressive results in math, programming, and reasoning challenges. Okay, paving the way for their release in January 2025. And this announcement closed the 12th day of OpenAI on a higher note, offering a glimpse into the future of AI technology, that where the AI technology can go. And at the last, I just want to say, remember, the future belongs to those which adapts fastest. So see you soon in next video. And if you like this video, enjoyed this video, then please uh, hit a like button,